Hey everybody, got a DIY quick tip today. Not worth filming the whole project, but just wanted to get this one out real quick to share because this has saved me a lot of time. Surely it's going to help somebody else out. Basically what we're doing is we're putting up some styrofoam insulation in the downstairs portion of my house. This tip was given to me by my father-in-law, so credit to him. Thank you for that. This has saved me hours of time. Initially, we tore back the walls. We're doing a bit of a remediation down here, got rid of some mold and making some upgrades at the same time. One of the things we didn't have was any insulation whatsoever when we tore back the walls. We wanted to kind of have something in place because the AC's undersized. We live in Florida and it gets real hot. So half-inch styrofoam board going in, and initially I was really overwhelmed by how awkward some of these spots are going to be to measure and fit. Whoever put the wood strips up is not square whatsoever, so didn't know how I was going to come up with those shapes. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to take a piece of the board, we're going to put it in place, and we are going to press it against the outline and rub our hand around the outside edge and kind of make a crease in the back, and that'll show us where to cut with our knife. Snaps right in. Find where your studs are. You should be able to feel it, and just kind of give it a good press on the outside edges. And then once you take it off, give a nice crease that has your exact line on it. And sometimes, depending on how straight you are with your cut on your knife, you might get a little excess, but just punch it in and you end up getting a pretty nice tight fit. Now, it's not perfect, but it gets in there really good. If you really wanted to go back and get some of those cracks, you could probably use a little spray foam sealer and kind of flush that up if you really wanted to cover all the surface. You guys probably have some other tips and ways to do that to kind of get in those cracks as well, or maybe it's not necessary. You guys let me know in the comments. Hope you enjoyed the quick tip, and we'll try to get more of these out.